The problem with using a tree to support the end of an antenna, you can see the wire here coming off my roof down over the pool, and you can kind of see the isolator right there. The wind just let up long enough for this video not to show, but this wire is anchored to the top of that tree up there. And when this wind blows, even though I have this much slack in this antenna, it pulls the thing almost straight. It's amazing. I had to let, I don't know how many feet of line, which I run over the top of that tree and then down to the fence, which you probably can't see. Those blue, there's where it's anchored to the fence. So, isn't that crazy? What is there? Oh, that's a shadow. Okay. Anyways, it goes up to the top, almost to the top of that tree, and then back down to over. It goes over my roof, and then anchors to. You're probably gonna get the sun. Darn it! Anchors to my gutter, right there. You can see the little coil. Right now, it's laying across my roof. So, yeah. Obviously, I'm not going to use that antenna right now with it being laying across my roof, but I do have the DX Commander mounted to the fence here. Goes up, and I have the 80-meter leg, which is a inverted L. Yeah. Coming off there, going across to one of those trees over there. So it doesn't work quite as well as my halfway vent fed up here, but it does a good job. Yeah. Trees are great if they're in the backyard, but when you get some high winds, get some slack in there or you're gonna lose an antenna. Ask me how I know.